Welcome to another episode of Edible Trails Garden. Today I'm going to answer my favorite question. What is a food forest? Have you ever dreamt of a garden that waters itself, feeds you for years, and actually improves the land over time? That is the magic of a food forest, nature's blueprint for abundance. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most powerful concepts in regenerative design. A food forest is also called a forest garden, and it is a self-sustaining ecosystem designed to mimic a natural forest. But instead of just trees, it's edible plants. Before you plant a single seed, make sure that you understand your plant hardiness zone. This will tell you what perennials will make it through your winter. Understanding your climate is the first step in a thriving food forest that doesn't fight nature, it flows with it. It's made of 7 or so layers, from towering fruit trees to vining plants and ground cover. It's not just gardening, it's ecological design. At the top, we have the canopy layer. Think the tall trees. They provide shade, structure, and protection from strong winds. Think avocados, mangoes, mulberries for our subtropical areas. For more temperate climates, think walnuts, apples, your sweet cherries. Beneath that layer, we have the subcanopy. Those are the smaller trees. Those are our smaller fruiting trees, larger shrubs that can tolerate that shade from our canopy layer. In tropical climates, we have papayas, guavas, pigeon peas, bananas. The next layer is shrubs like hibiscus or our berries like this baby blueberry plant. This layer often attracts our pollinators. The herbaceous layer is where your culinary and your medicinal herbs live. These are often your pest deterrents, like this Italian oregano, Cuban oregano, or African basil. And for the root layer, that's where we go underground. Think ginger, peanuts, cassava, and turmeric. Loving the shade underneath this Napier grass. And then we have ground cover. In this layer, we have strawberries, sweet potatoes, and our sprawling beans. Little mid-filming snack while we look at the vining layer. This is the layer that doesn't take any floor space, like this ube. going up my strawberry tree. Mm. Mm. Those taste like cotton candy. Together, we form a living web of productivity and resilience. Each layer plays a critical role, capturing sunlight, building the soil, storing water, feeding both you and the local wildlife. Hey, Bunny, don't kill me. Food forests aren't just beautiful, they are resilient. And unlike monocultures, they don't depend on synthetic inputs. They feed pollinators, they build the soil, sequester carbon, and reduce your need to weed, water, and fertilize. Basically, they do the hard work for you. Are you starting your own food forest? Make sure that you're subscribed so that we can continue to learn together. The first step is observation. Understanding your climate, water flow, and sun patterns is critical for picking perennial plants that are suited for your region. And don't be afraid to start small. A few fruit trees with some companion herbs underneath. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be wild overnight. A food forest isn't just a way to garden. It is a movement towards regeneration. And if this video planted some inspiration in you, don't forget to subscribe as we continue to build our skills. Let's grow.